How to delete credit card from your PlayStation console. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your credit card from your PlayStation account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you might have linked your PayPal account or maybe your payment options such as credit or debit card, and now you want to remove and unlink those cards. Well, it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to simply navigate to settings, and once you navigate to settings, here you'll find the option called account management. And once you go to account management, go to the option called account information. As you go to the option called account information, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options over here. Now over here you'll find the option called wallet right at the third, so just make sure to go to the option called wallet, and at the top you can find the option called payment methods. So it says add, edit, or set your default payment methods. So in this case, if you want to remove either of the card, you have to select either one of those three cards that you might have added to your PlayStation account. And once you select those cards, you'll find the option called remove from the bottom right, or you can press the options button on your controller in order to go ahead and then remove those specific cards as well. And that's all it takes to delete your credit card from your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.